Meaning of dismantling.
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 Dismantling. Dismantling refers to the process of taking apart something that has been constructed or organized, such as a building, machine, or system. The result of dismantling is the disassembly of the object into its individual components or parts. This can be done for various reasons, such as to repair or replace parts, to recycle or dispose of materials, or as part of a larger effort to decommission or phase out a particular system or structure. Dismantling often requires specialized tools and expertise to ensure that the process is performed safely and efficiently.